Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. Today I'm bringing you another easy Dollar Tree DIY project. Let's hop into it.
So for this DIY project, you will need 2 of those Dollar Tree clear bowls. Sometimes they are colored like blue, purple, red, and all different sorts of color. Since we're going to spray paint these, you can get those colored ones if you can't find the clear ones. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere 2 bowls together using some E6000 and some hot glue. And you guys know how I like to do it. I like to do dots of E6000, and in between the dots of E6000 I go back through with the hot glue. The hot glue is going to allow us to adhere the bowls quickly, and because the E6000 takes about 24 hours to fully dry and adhere, but I want to be able to go ahead and spray paint these right away. Now, one thing that I will say when it comes to spray painting these, if you don't want that dripping, running paint look, then you'll want to spray paint your bowls separately and then glue them together. So totally up to you what you decide to do. And this is the spray paint that I went with. I wanted to use a flat black or a matte black look. But glossy works too if you want a glossy finish. It's totally up to you. So I'm just taking these outside and I'm just going to give them a nice couple of coats of that black spray paint. You want to allow the spray paint to dry for at least 24 hours overnight. And here are some of the running paint stains that I was referring to earlier. Like I said, sometimes those types of things give your DIY project some character and some uniqueness.
Hey guys, so sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to take a second to remind you to hit that subscribe button. If you've enjoyed this video so far, I have more content just like it on the way, so make sure you turn that bell notification on so you know when I post. All right, let's hop back into the video.
Now it's time to dress this centerpiece up. I'm just showing you a few options that you can use. So you can use like rhinestones, you can use the silver studs or gold studs look. You can also use some gold pearls or gold studs. These are smaller version of the silver ones. But my initial vision for this was to use pearls. So I'm going to stick to my initial vision, but any of these things could work depending on the look that you're going for. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut 1 row of the pearls off from the larger set of pearls, and I'm going to glue that around the center of this vase. Now this vase, I love it because it is a great centerpiece, but it also can act as some great home decor as well, and I'll show you in the final shot what I mean by that. So I'm just using some hot glue to adhere the pearls around the center part of this vase. Now, this looks easier than what it really is. As you all are DIYers too, you know, sometimes things look easy, and then once you get into the thick of it, you realize, you know what, it's not as easy as it looks. And because these pearls are so small, I highly recommend using a popsicle stick, or sometimes I even use my scissors to help guide and press them in, because it just makes it easier and less messy. So the best technique that I found is adding the hot glue to the pearl itself, but you can absolutely add it to the bowls as well. The only thing is you may put just a little too much glue and it might get everywhere, or you know, come out of the behind the pearls and get on multiple pearls or things like that. But totally up to you what technique and method that you use. The other thing I want to mention about adding the pearls is that I am only gluing the pearls every few pearls, probably like every 8 to 10 pearls, and then I'm adding some glue. It's up to you if you want to add glue behind every single pearl, but it's not necessary. So save yourself the hassle and the time and just glue, like I said, about every 8 to 10 pearls, and it'll still be secure. Now I am going to show the entire process of me gluing the pearls on, because I don't want people to get discouraged when you're doing your project thinking like, oh, she made it seem so easy or quick or any of those thoughts, because there are things when you're doing these DIY projects that, like I said, they look easy, and sometimes they are, and then sometimes they aren't, or they look like they are quick to do, and sometimes they are, and sometimes they aren't. So I think it's important for us to set realistic expectations with these DIY projects. So for that reason, I am going to show the whole entire process of me adding these pearls. Now, if you think you have it and you want to move forward, by all means, go ahead to the next step in this video. But like I said, I want to make sure I'm setting realistic expectations for those of you that may, think that certain things should be taking you less time than you're giving yourself. But in reality, sometimes it takes longer. All right, so I ran out of pearls. What I'm going to do is measure out some more from the other strip of pearls that I cut. And I'm just going to go ahead and add another strip to cover up that last section. And I did start off with too big of a strip just because I want to properly measure where I want the pearl to stop. So once I know where I want it to stop, I'm going to go ahead and cut that and then go ahead and glue the rest of them in that open section. All right, now let me get y'all's opinion on this. I was thinking maybe I want to do like double or triple rows of the pearls, and I absolutely think that looks so beautiful like that. But then I was like, sometimes less is more. And I just could not decide in this moment. But let me know what y'all think. Should I go with the single row of pearls? Should I go with a double row? Or should I do a triple row of pearls? And yes, I know sometimes I be doing too much, so I decided to go with less is more, and I just stuck to the single row of pearls. So to add your florals, you just want to go ahead and glue down some floral foam inside of the top part of your vase, and then you can go ahead and add in your flowers. I'm just using what I have on hand because I am doing this video for you guys. I don't have a event or a client that ordered anything right now, so I'm just using what I have on hand. These are hydrangeas that I got from AliExpress a long time ago. And I was like, you know what? I think this would look even better with like a pop of color. So I'm going to be also adding in some red roses. All right, I thought I made a final decision on these pearls, but obviously your little cousin just cannot let it go. I think this would look beautiful with a double or triple row of pearls, but I decided to go with less is more and do the single. This is the final product. I absolutely love how it turned out. So simple but elegant, and this would look great as home decor as well. Put it on top of a stack of books like fashion magazines.
All right, so I would love to know what you guys think of this DIY project. I absolutely loved how it turned out. Like I said before, it's super easy and simple, but yet super beautiful and elegant. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think if you're planning to try this out. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.